First, make a local script under the tool you've created. Make sure the tool is parented to the starter pack. Now in the script, create a player variable that we will use to get the player's tools. Then add a child removed event to the player's backpack to detect if an item was equipped or deleted. Check if the tool is equipped to the player. Oops. Wait a tiny bit and change the parent of the item back to the backpack to avoid any errors. It works! Now if I comment out the code, I can equip the item again.